Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to know a new tips. It is go incognito. Yes friends, if you want to look up something weird, glance at something at random, or just browse YouTube without affecting your personalized recommendations, incognito mode behaves as if you aren't signed into your account, and this means any of your activities such as searches, subscriptions, or videos watched won't influence your YouTube experience, and it won't affect the recommendations you get. Friends, if you want to enable incognito mode, first you have to click on the profile picture and just turn on incognito mode. Now friends, you are on incognito mode, and now your searches, your subscriptions or videos watched, your any history will not record. Just suppose you just any of this video, if you watch, it will not save in your YouTube data account. Now you have to turn off this. You can see nothing is added to your library while you are incognito mode. Second thing is also, if you want to watch this, you cannot comment here. See, turn off incognito mode. You cannot subscribe, you can watch this any of your video which will not add in your YouTube history. Now if you want to turn off this, you click on this profile picture and turn off incognito mode. Now you can watch the history here. It will not affect your personal YouTube experience because YouTube show you the related videos based on your searches. So friends, this is the incognito mode settings. Just enjoy. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.